Hello everyone, my name is Ron David. I'm student of class 7D. Today I'm going to tell you about MIT App Inventor. So here we have to go first to layout and then click on the vertical arrangement and drag it and drop into this mobile phone. Now it will show like some line. Now we have to add two buttons in it. When we will add these, it will show like text button for one, but after that we have to change its name. We go to down, and as we need to change its name, like I have selected show image and hide image, so I have to click it and go to its property, and right here where the text is written we can write anything that hide image or anything we can write. Next we have to go to layout and then click on the table arrangement and then drag it and drop it to here. Now we have to again put a button in it and name like go to screen 2, and after that you have to go to media. Now as you know that we have added vertical arrangement, so we have to add just below a table arrangement an image. We can add image by scrolling down, and here there is written upload file. We have to click it and choose file from our desktop and then press on OK, so our file is come here. Suppose that I have taken this Mamta Modern School picture, so it will show like this on our mobile. Now we have to go to the blocks written here. We have to click it and then have to do like this, otherwise our project will not work. First we have to click on button 1 and then click on when button click do, and then drag and drop it here. Then we have to select the image. We have to select the image and then scroll some it down, and as we saw that there is written set image 1 visible 2. We have to click on it and drag and drop to here. As we see that here it is written set image 1 visible 2, so we have to drag and drop into the when button 1 click. Then we have to go to logic and select true and then drag and drop to it. And the same process happens with the button 2, that we have to click when button 2 dot click and then again go to the image and select set image 1 visible 2, and then in that case we have to again click to logic and select default and drag and drop it. And in the third button we have to again do like this when button 3 dot click, and we have to click on control. Then we have to scroll it some down, and in some time we can see that open other screen name screen 1. So we have to drag it and we have to change its screen 1 to screen 2. Now we have to again go to the designer option and click on add screen. When we add screen, the new screen will start. In this screen we have to do long press. First we have to select layout and then click on horizontal arrangement and then drag and drop to it. And another, we have to take a button and name it like when we go to the screen 1. And again we have to click on the layout option and click on table arrangement and then drag and drop to horizontal arrangement. In the table arrangement we have to add two buttons and name it like first long press and second go to screen 3. If we had made screen 3, then we have to add this. And next Now we have to click again on layout and add a horizontal arrangement below this go to screen 3. And when we do like this, we can see that like somewhere this, and in this we have to add the image. I As you know that we have to click on upload file and choose the file from our desktop and then click on OK. The image appears here. Now as you can see the properties here, height is filled parent and width is filled parent. All the things are filled parent. Now we have to move to blocks. In this we have to click on first long press. When we click on long press, it show, and when we click on long press we have to select this when long press dot click do and drag and drop it to here. Now we have to come on horizontal arrangement 1 and then select the option set horizontal arrangement 1 background color to dash. In dash we can add any color like green, red. Again we have to do same like this, but in the second case when we select long press we have to click on this when long press dot long click do, and then same we have to select horizontal arrangement 2. Here we select 1 but here we have to select 2 and background color changes to any color. Now we have to do to go to screen 1, so we have to select go to screen 1 and then click on when go to screen 1 click do, when go to screen 1 dot click do, and then we have to add this screen 1. How we can add this? I tell. We have to go on text, and in text we have to select this, and in this we have to write anything we want, and same when button 1 click open another screen named screen 3 as I show this on this screen 1. Now we have moved to our third screen, which is sharing app screen. So here first we have to take an horizontal arrangement from the layout and then drag and drop to it. In horizontal arrangement we have to add table arrangement, so we can add 2 buttons in it from the user interface and name them as go to screen 1 and second as go to screen 2. And here it is the sharing button. How we can use this? We have to scroll down and click on social. When we click on social it show like this sharing, and we have to put like this. If when we put like this it not show like this, it will show like this icon, but we can add this by adding the image to it. Like I have the image of this button, so I can use this on sharing button. Like here I use this Microsoft icon, which is this, so I can add this on my sharing 1 app. How I can add this? I can add this by we can share this by clicking on button 1. When we click on button 1 we can add image in this option where image is written. We can click on this and select any picture that we have created on this MIT app. Then as we have to connect this to our mobile phone, so let's go to the mobile phone screen. As in this we have to click in Play Store and download an app named MIT A12 companion like this, and I have to click on this, and you have to simply just install it. Then click on open button, and here it show like this: connect with code or use scan or QR code. So here we have to click in our PC or laptops, we have to click on connect option, and here we have to click on AI companion. When we click on AI companion, it show the code and OR code. So here we have to scan it. Then after some time it will show the same screen that is coming on our laptop or PC. If we click on hide image, the image gets hide, and when we click on show image, the image gets shown. When we click on go to screen 2, it just takes us to the screen 2. And if we do long press, then this color that we have selected, like green, is coming on the top. And after that, if when we click on go to screen 3, it will show this. Here, when we click on the sharing icon, sharing apps, from which we can share this app from other people. Here, two options are coming: go to screen 1 or go to screen 2. We can click either go to screen 1 or either we can click go to screen 2. So here my MIT app inventor project is completed. Thank you.